Most people do not fail because their idea is bad. They fail because nobody is willing to pay for it. Money does not come from random ideas. It comes from solving a real problem clearly. So stop thinking about 10 different offers. Choose one problem, one person, one result. Start with people already around you. Friends, creators, students, small brands. Look for someone already struggling with something your skill can solve. Do not sell everything. Create one simple offer, one promise, one transformation. When the problem is clear, the offer becomes obvious. And when the offer is obvious, execution becomes easy. Now turn that clarity into one clear offer. Not 10 services. One simple outcome. I help creators grow faster with strategic editing. Better hooks, better retention, more reach, more time saved. Now the person immediately understands the value. This is where most people overcomplicate. Do not sell features. Sell the result. More views, more growth, more time to focus on creating. Now send this offer directly. A simple DM. Personal, clear, helpful, no pressure, just real value. Send it to 10 people. Some will ignore. Some will say maybe later. But one person will reply. And that one reply changes everything. Because now the market has spoken. Your idea is no longer imagination. It is proof. Now trust the process. Stay calm. Stay consistent. Keep delivering value. The right people always respond. And then it happens. The message you were waiting for finally comes. Yes, let's work together. That one reply makes all the effort worth it. Now move fast. Ask the right questions. Understand the project. Make the client feel confident. Then close the deal. Your first client. Your first proof. Your first real step into freedom. Now focus on delivery. This is where trust is built. Do the work better than promised. Deliver fast. Deliver clean. Deliver results. Because good work creates repeat clients. And repeat clients create real income. Then the payment arrives. Not just money. Validation. Proof that your skill has value. Proof that the system works. Find people. Solve problems. Deliver value. Get paid. Repeat. Now the best part. The client loves the result. This becomes your testimonial. Your proof. Your leverage for the next 10 clients. And this is the biggest lesson of day 3. One client can change your life. One result creates belief. One proof creates momentum. This is only the beginning.